friends, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading about past, present, future of your connection. So let's see what is going on in this connection. It is applicable for anybody. So it is applicable for singles or married. Okay, so if you are facing any difficulties in your love life, or you are facing some disturbance in your love connection, so you can see this reading and you can choose a pile according to your intuition. As per your intuition, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and select the pile and meditate on the whichever pile you are choosing, so you can get more clarity and more benefit. Okay, I'll be telling the signs also, what are the signs you are involved with. So we will discuss more. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, whoever subscribed to my channel. And I am very much thankful to constant motivation and encouragement from the subscribers and viewers. I'm very grateful and thankful to you all. Then please note that this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everybody, all the viewers. So please keep that in mind. If you want any more different kind of readings, you can post it in the chat box. And also I want you to post whether if it is resonated or not. I would like to read your comments, and I like your comments. So if at all it is resonated, please post in the comment box. Okay, then if you want personal reading, you can contact me. My contact details are given in the description box. You can note down my email ID and you can send your question to me. Then I'll reply you back. Okay, so that's all I have for you, friends. Then let's see the pile selection. I have pile number 1, this green color shell. Pile 2, yellow shell. Then pile 3, this purple color seashell. So you can choose any one of the pile and you can see your reading. Okay, so if you need more time, you can pause the video and select your pile. Let's start. So we will start with pile number 1. We will see past, present, future of this connection. Okay, let's start. Archangels, spirit guides, please help us. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. What is happening in this connection? Past, present, future of this connection, and what is happening with pile number 1. Okay. That is past, then present, let's see. Okay. So here we have past, present and future of this connection. Okay. Hope you all can see the cards. Okay, so these are all the cards. So first of all, I will tell you which all the signs you are dealing with. Here I can see strongly you are dealing with Aries and Taurus. Some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, air signs. And very few of you might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Taurus, Aries, Virgo, Capricorn, then Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, take it as resonated. If at all your person is one of these signs, then this reading is for you. Okay, so past. I can see the past, like this person was little sneaky, and this person, whomever you are dealing with. And one more thing I want to tell you, friends, here I can't see any cups cards. Cups card means they represent love cards. But in this connection, I can't see any cups. That means I can't see any feelings from this person. Like he is not expressive. He has no certain emotions. Okay, this person, he or she, they think everything in materialistic way or passionate way. They don't know about love or emotions or expressing the feelings. So this person doesn't know all those things. Okay, this person only feels about materialistic way, money, finance, or he will be very, very passionate, or he will be short tempered, angry. So these are all the qualities of this person. Then you can see in the past this person was very sneaky, and this person was like dealing with many people, and this person was flirt and a player, and like kind of a thief kind of a person. Like he will not express any feelings. He will be talking to many people, smiling, laughing, giggling, parties, enjoyment. Okay, and this person is like not telling you the truth. Then in the past you have some realization. Okay, not you, actually your person. So that person has some realization. Then he started feeling that he or she, they started feeling that okay, there is something more in this connection. Okay, I'm not feeling the same way as I'm feeling with other people. This person is different. Then I can also feel that this person is long distant to you, long distance relationship. I can see this person might be out of the country, not near to you, because this person need to cross ocean to see you. Okay, so this person is definitely long distant. And once he realized something is there in this connection, this person want to know what is happening. Okay, why am I feeling like this? Why am I not able to forget this person? So this person is definitely is thinking and thinking, waiting actually. So maybe because of this corona effect or something. But right now this person actually waiting for you. And this is also past energy only. We will see the present. But in the past itself, this person started waiting for you, and he was thinking, deeply thinking. Then he's calculating what is happening. There are two wants here. That means he is into two relationships, and he's confused what to do, how to do. Then this person is deeply thinking and reflecting what he is doing, the way you talk, you both, the conversation between both of you, or written text or mails, or phone calls. This person is repeating in their mind what is happening, why this is happening, why that she or he said like this, or how I responded, what does they mean by saying this. So this person is waiting for your clarity actually. So they want to come towards you, but there was two things. Okay, he need to juggle, but he's holding your connection very strongly. You can see in this picture also, he's holding this connection very strongly, and he is waiting for the right time to come towards you. Then in the present position, this person is working very hard. You can see the 10 of wands. You can see this. So this person is having many responsibilities on his shoulders. Okay, so at the moment he is working hard on maybe job, career, or health. So this person is moving away from this connection at the moment, at present. Moving away in the sense he is not thinking about you that much, because he is completely busy into his own life. And also I can see this person is a little older to you, and maybe he is having a father figure. Maybe father figure is objecting for this connection, or maybe the father is not well, or maybe a whole family burden came onto this person. So this person is feeling very burdened at this position. But the Emperor card says that this person is sitting on his throne. That means his feelings are stabilizing. So Emperor means always giving. Then he's little bit egoistic, also egotistical. This person is very proud, and he has lot of pride because he's intelligent. Then he must be in the manager position, or this person might be in a higher authority position, maybe in army, doctor, engineer. So he is in a project manager. This person is very in a high position. So this person is feeling so much burden, maybe because of this lockdown, corona, maybe he has to work a lot. So right now this person is not thinking about you at all. But future, Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles means it is a very slow moving energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this person wants to come towards you, offer the pentacles to you. He will come towards you with a gift or an offer. Okay. So future is very, very optimistic and very positive for you, because these two cards are very, very positive cards. So Knight of Pentacles means this person want to travel towards you and come towards you. As I said, this is long distance relationship, right? So this person want to come towards you and express something. Okay, so express in the sense this person is not a very expressive or romantic person. I can't see this person is romantic. This person is very, very like stable person with a Hierophant. I can say this person is very, very stable, spiritual. Okay, and in the past he was in the past he was a player or a flirt, but after that he has changed. Maybe he is fed up of all these small plays and all. Then he said, I want to stay, I want a stable connection, I want a stable life. Let's put the end for this play. I want somebody stable, I want a life partner. So in future this person is coming towards you, but I can't see this is very fast. Okay, you have to wait with lot of patience. But Hierophant means it's almost like a marriage card. Okay, almost this person, not marriage card, but this person will offer you stability, long-term relationship. This person will come towards you with the Knight of Pentacles and offer you stability, and he will tell you what and all is happening, how your future will be. He will give you some clarity, and this is long-term relationship or a stability in this connection. That means it is almost a marriage. Okay, so he is into a very powerful position. In future also he'll be very powerful position, like he will be saying and others will following his commands. That kind of a position he will be. But this person will come towards you with stable offer. You can see the pentacle in his hand, Knight of Pentacles. So this person want to come towards you and give you some gift or an offer of love, offer of stable commitment. I can't see love actually, see, because this is pentacle, all everything is materialistic, because this person doesn't know what love is, what romance is, because this person is always thinking about family, life, then wife, money. So this some keywords are there in this person's mind. He will be very straightforward and very always he will be thinking about how to survive, how can I give my family luxurious life. Okay, how can I fulfill all their desires? That will be his main aim. And this person is very, very hard working and very genuine, honest, and this person will be very committed towards you, very loyal actually. Okay, always earth energies are very, very loyal. So the Hierophant is a Taurus card, and the King of Knight of Pentacles also, it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this person is very, very loyal towards you, and he wants to come towards you with an offer of marriage, okay, or long-term relationship, or maybe living together. So you can take it as it resonates. Okay, so let's pull one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card. For pile number 1, the outcome is very good. Future is very, very good. I'm very happy for you, pile number 1. Congratulations. So let's see the guidance card from Indian Tarot. Okay, so Magician. So what universe is saying that you can definitely manifest. You can do all the things like law of attraction. Even I have some videos in my channel also. You can see law of attraction, how to manifest and all. So they are saying that universe is saying that you are the magician. of your life. You can do magic. You can do anything in your life. So you have the power to get this connection towards you. So always, already we know in future this person will come to you and offer you commitment. But still, if you want it more faster, because it will take time, I said no, earth signs, they will move very, very slow moving energy. But you are the magician. You can manifest it a little early. Maybe use a 3-3-3 method or 5-5-5 method or 2-cup method or anything. Okay, law of attraction. You can dream journal, or you can write your affirmations. So you can manifest this person faster. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share my readings with your friends who are in need. Okay, see you in the next reading. Let's move to